Today we're gonna make a short video. This is the butt connector bandits car. My brother, for his birthday, we put electronic power assist in it. It was a kit that we had bought from Speedway, or not Speedway, but Summit, that was at their scratch and dent store, so we got a pretty fair bit off the price, which made it worth it. And after installing it, I think it'd be worth it in most anybody's old car if you don't have another option for power steering. You can kind of, sitting behind the wheel, you can see it a little bit. It's not, I get you probably paint it black and it'd be a lot less noticeable. But we did not do that. Let's see if I can get some light on this situation. Nope, not with that light. Alright, now we have some light on the situation. There it is, installed, and what it looks like installed. This kit was originally for a Ford F100. Let's see if I get this camera. I had to push the wiring out of the way. This car needs some wiring help. It's been it's not really perfect. It should be, a lot of it should be rerouted, but that's a job for another day. My father turns 80, Dad, 88 or 89?
What's that?
Dad's birthday.
He's 88, so I'm gonna be 58.
He's turning 88?
Turning 88.
Alright, he's turning 88. Now this has a rheostat on it where you can adjust how hard it is to turn the wheel. This is turned all the way up. And this is just sitting here, car not running, not moving. It's pretty dang easy to turn. Part of the rheostat, we have it hanging down here and turned all the way down. It's still easy to turn, so it's a pretty good system. The reason why the rheostat is not mounted is because as part of we bought it at the Summit Scratch and Dent. There's the rheostat right there. It's just till I can get the right nut to fit it. I can't mount it. Like I say, as part of being part of the Scratch and Dent at Summit. See, there's the nut that's turned all the way up. It's actually turned all the way down. We leave it on the turned all the way up for my dad. He has 2 bad shoulders and a torn bicep, and he wasn't able to drive this car anymore. So we put this on there for his birthday, and hopefully he'll be able to enjoy his car again. It's pretty simple. It's really just a 4-wire hookup, 2 grounds, a power wire, and a signal wire. That is the module that runs it all. We mounted it out here because of the lack of room under the dash. But it's fairly simple. We had only hard part was making the shifter work, since it is a column shift. And they say this does not fit a column shift, but what you have to do, get some more light on the situation here. Okay. You see that bar right there? That is to clear the steering box. And if you notice, when you pull on the shifter, it moves up and down. So you pull the shifter to you, and then that's all the way to reverse on this old Power Glide. Low, drive, neutral, and then you pull on it, it goes into park. And the detents are actually on the outside. That is your actual detent. and your shifter adjustment. I'd say it wasn't too bad, just figuring out we had to make our own mounts for some of it. It is used, it's the same one that comes in a Saturn Vue and a Chevy Equinox. Here is one out of a Chevy Equinox that we had parted out, where the E-Pass's performance is so easy just to do. I mean, it might not be, if you have time to make it work yourself, probably wouldn't be worth going to E-Pass. They're a great company, good parts, great, I mean, great service. I called them and had a problem because I thought I had a problem, but I figured it out. But you can actually do it yourself by the card and the internet if you really wanted to. Now, that noise is the Shelby project. Getting everything straightened up on it. Working on the tune with my brother.
You can't make these videos together, man. It still won't make sense. You gotta search for them on the internet.
Here it is. Check out the video. We're going to upload for it.